Hello, 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 everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Where is my gang? Where is my gang? That's probably the first question I ask a lot nowadays. Okay, so hope you guys are doing well. Coming back with another lead code or die, right? In this one, right, we are going to go over another cool topic. I can say, I guess, another good topic at least, if not a cool one. And this one is specifically, I will say, is an interesting question I was going over. It's a medium. Again, we are going to keep on doing the medium ones as they come, instead of, like, last time we were just working on the easy one. This time we are going to just work on the medium ones and keep on focusing that way. And let me share my screen quickly. Okay, so this is called simplify path lead code problem from in top interview 150. No, nope, nope, panda. Nope, nope, nope. You should be studying. You have your work, mate. You should be working or studying, whatever it is. Come on. Okay. So going back, right? We have top 150 interview problems, and we are on stack right now. I wanted to work on behan ki lori. Simply path, right? And that's the word came from, basically the what I said came from um, Khiladi 786 movie. Okay. Good. And as I was saying, right, we'll work on simplify path. It's related to stack. Okay, good. We'll work on the simplify path and see if we can nail this problem down fast. As I have to go back to studying ancient old technology or a programming language called BBJ. I hate that name because it sounds very, very. The name of the um, language itself is BBJ. The BJ and all those things, I hate it. Okay. So, simplify path. You are given an absolute path of a Unix style file system which always begin, let me increase the text, okay, which always begin with a slash, right? And if it's a forward slash. Your task is to transform this absolute path into a simplified canonical path. The rules of the Unix file system are as follows. A single period represents the current directory. Double period means the parent directory. Multiple consecutive slashes, such as the two or three, are treated like a single one, irrespective of how many you put. Any sequence, you guys can hear me, right? Properly? Yeah. Any sequence of periods that does not match the rules above should be treated as a valid directory or file name. For example, these are valid directory or file names. Dot 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 dot. The simplified canonical path should follow these rules. The path must start with the slash. Directories within the path must be separated exactly by one slash. The path must not end with a slash unless it's the root directory. The path must not have any single or double periods used to denote current or um, parent directories. Okay, return the simplified canonical path. So we have home. It should not end with this slash unless it's the root one, right? Then we have home and this 4. Then this explanation, multiple consecutives. Okay, dot dot is the parent one. So goes back to the picture. So this is going to be a stack, right? Every time we see dot dot, remove the top one. And this one, dot dot, remove the previous one. It should never end with this one. Okay. Dot dot slash, then it becomes triple dot becomes basically an actual directory. We go to A, we remove A, B, C, remove C, D, and the current one. Okay, so we have basically all these cases. Now let's think of it in a stack format. This looks like almost like a board, the way we see on. So here we have, right? Number 71, simplify path. In this, we have to use stack. When I was using the chat GPT, I could for to create the description of this video, I saw stack, so I know it will be stack. But any case, when there is like add, remove, it will be stack. So what are the rules of stack, right? You're not super late, man. You're not super late. I'm just read this, right, and going to start. I think I started like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, 6 7 minutes ago. Then don't worry. Here's the link of the problem. It's a good one. It's a good one. Nothing like super rough. It's a medium level, so I think we can do it quickly. Have you done this, Wrench? Simplify path? Basically, we are going to use a stack in which whatever we get, right? If we get like, we will have like three cases. Three cases. Yeah, bro, I've done everything. There is no more LeetCode problems to do for me. Okay, nice. So if we have like a directory name, or we have dot, or we have dot dot. That's fun. Okay. So if we have a directory, stack push. If we have one, ignore. If we have this, pop, right? That's the first step. For the second step, we need to like, once we are done with all this, right? Push, pop, and all those stuff. Second step is like taking them out. um, and how we take them out is first we start our string with slash, right? And with slash we just keep on like separate them with slashes. So if we have slash, now we start it and then str. Bruh, this one is easy. I made my own tool for BB. I had to deal with stuff like this. Oh, nice. That's good. Yeah, it is easy. If you know, like, if you know you will be using stack for it, once you know stack, then this is actually not even a medium level. Yeah. Whatever is in stack with the for loop, right? We'll do a for loop. Whatever is stack, keep on adding. And I think this will do the job. So shouldn't be that hard at all. So simplify path, we have path, which is a string, right? Let's say, I don't even know how to do stack in Python. I don't think I ever did stack in Python. We have a string, we have append, pop, okay. So stack is basically an array, right? For first we'll separate, so we have path array is equal to path dot, I think it's split and split by forward slash, right? Yeah, split method. Yeah, okay. We split by this, right? Now we have array. So for um, item in path array, if, and we'll create a set, basically ignore cases. We'll have a set, and in the set, how to define set with like pre Python. Okay, just like this. Okay, I haven't used many sets. I'm a fan of HMAP, big time. So we have ignore. Let's say first is dot. Ignore that. What else to ignore? Dot dot will pop. Okay, so if item in ignore pass, else if item equal to dot dot stack dot pop, else if, or else stack dot push, whatever is the item. Now there can be cases like, let's go back to our question. Single period done, two, and if there are multiple, I think ignore case would also include this empty space. They are valid directories and names. Yeah. And in stack, things keep on going like this, right? We keep on putting stuff and it keeps on going up. Okay. Let's say if there was A, B, C, A will be like this, B and C. Then we pop will come as C, then B, then A. Panda was there, but I know Panda just like you, right? If you once your exam starts, I'm going to tell you not to come. I want you to work on your exams. Panda has her or his exams going on, right? On it, they have their exam. Well, I have no idea what Panda is, but they have their exams going on, and yeah, they have to study. Because I remember, I feel like I either it was a man or a girl. I don't remember specifically what Panda was. I think it was man. One time I heard during our what's this called cardio, but I also heard a girl voice in that. So I was like very confused. And then it was like, oh yeah, the man came, and then it was like, oh, the sound changed. So I'm like very confused. What is there? Maybe, yeah, he might have a girl. That's actually a good point too. Or she might have a guy. Who knows? The first word came out of your mouth is that, instead of like tips, bro, tips, tips. Okay, ignore item push. These are there. What else we have? Given the fact the question was also, can you say sister's truck in Hindi? It sounds like a boy to me, man. Okay, we have ignored this thing. Yeah, I think now we have the stack, right? For item in while stack is empty, is not empty. Let's let's say I have result as slash result equal to result plus uh, stack.pop. Whatever is at the top goes. And the last one should not. Okay, I think this one will work. What is result? So let's see. So Panda, tell us, do you have a boyfriend? And I thought I told you to study, mate. Okay, do you have a girlfriend? Now let me ask you this. Do you have a girlfriend too? No, 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 no. You have to go get to work done. We'll talk later once your exams are done. Syntax, I expected this on line 10. Yeah, what are you? Are you girl, boy, or he, she, they, them? What the fuck? Gender reveal. Yeah, let's go. List object has no attribute push. Okay, if there is no push, there might be append. I have no clue what just happened. Length. I'm just going to focus on this, man. You guys do you. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Stack in Python. Let's do this. Oh, that's actually, I didn't know you can do that. Huh. One sec. Wait, stack items is empty. Length. Items.pop is a thing, right? Append is a thing. So why is giving error? Nah, bro. Okay. Push. Append is there. Why pop is the issue? Why pop is the issue though, bro? Oh, pop from empty list. If I see multiple, it should be foo home. Okay, and the way you told me to do is result return a copy. Okay, so end this and join all those by this. Okay. Case 3 is this. Okay, let's see now. I need to know these ones, man. These are the things I need to know. 48%, okay. How can I improve this? Yo, what's up? How can I improve this? ON is this, but hmm. This time it beats 100% of the results. Okay, GG's. I'm Dora the Explorer. Holy. Flexing time. Flexing time. Did you did it Python too? Yo, you bastard. You bastard. You copy pasted my code, man. You bastard. No, you bastard. Yes, you cheat. Yes, you cheat. Bad guy. No, I'm not checking time. I'm not checking the time. Okay. Yo, so this is done and I have to go back to work. This was a very small stream, man. Holy. I have done these merge sorted array, mark as sort. Okay, never mind, going back. So I have to, they want me to do again all those. Okay, never mind. We'll see. Okay, where were we? Where, which is the stack one we just did. So simplify stack, and then there is min stack we can do tomorrow and evaluate. I will read these before like starting tomorrow's stream and see if these one can be done fast or not. And yeah, we'll work on this one. And then basic calculator. How hard is the hard one? Given string s representing a valid expression, implement a basic calculator to evaluate it and return the result of evaluation. You're not allowed to use built-in functions which evaluate strings as mathematical operations like eval. Ah, I was about to do that. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1. So we will have BODMAS type thing. Only these ones. Yeah, they knew it. is used as a unary operator, not user. Okay, interesting, interesting. I think we can do every number and running calculation will fit in a signed 32-bit integer. There are no two consecutive operators in the output. Okay. So I think this one also can be done with stack. Like I think all these four we can do this week. All these three we can do this week. And then we can go towards linked list. I made a calculator app with memory and everything in Golang, so it will be easy. Yeah. Now I think I have done calculator too as like a part of one of the, during university time you are asked to make a calculator and all those DSA. So I have done that. So this should be comparatively easy. Yeah, yeah. No, this should be still easy. It's like very similar to what we did today. Min stack and evaluate reverse polish notation. Let's read, see if we can do both tomorrow. Design a stack that supports push, pop, top, and retrieving the minimum element in the constant time. Implement min stack class. Min stack initializes an object. Push, pop, top, and get min. Retrieves the minimum element. You must implement a solution with O and time complexity for each function. So push can be done in O1, pop, top can be done in O1 almost, and get min is O1 as well. So this should be easy. Min stack this stack, push, 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 get min, pop, top, get min. This should be doable. This should be doable tomorrow in not so long a time. Then we have evaluate reverse polish notation. You are given an integer array of strings tokens that represent an arithmetic expression in reverse polish notation. Evaluate the expression, return an integer that represents the value of expression. Valid operators are this. Yeah, 664 subs. So I'm scared that, yeah, 750, I might have to jump in the, what's this called, snow with the face, with face over, right? The snow soon. And it's really cold nowadays. It's really cold. So I'm actually not excited about that. I think I should have given a bigger, like 1,000 sub or something. This is like going very fast, man. Yeah, it is already super snowy outside. I'll tell you this. Let me check how much is the snow in my city. Because it was raining today, but from last 2 days it was snowing. Right now it is at, yesterday only it was 2 centimeter of snow, and before that it was another 2 centimeter. So we have like almost 4 5 centimeters of snow already, which is interesting. Interesting. Yeah. So I think you guys, by the time this is done, dude, like we have like really hot clothes. Honestly, we have really hot clothes. And like when I jump, like I believe, let's say if it is done in like next 3 weeks, right? By around Christmas, you will see a snow as big as like 1 foot, almost like you will see a snow pile as big as 1 foot. It will be very interesting to see. I might be even, you will almost see me like jump and like gone. The guy's gone. Running is not fun. Running in the snow is not fun. Skiing and all those things are fun, but you can't run in the snow. Running in a snow is like almost running in a quicksand. It's like very hard, and you, not exactly like quicksand, but like hard to get. Yeah. No, like snow, a cold you can run. Snow, it's a different case. But let's read this one. Let's see if we can do this one tomorrow as well. You are given an array of strings tokens that represents an arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. What is a reverse Polish notation? Please don't skip 1 minute read. It's Wednesday, December 30th. Like, Wikipedia has a lot of money, if I'm not wrong, man. Yeah, Wikipedia, if I'm not wrong, has a lot of money. How much does Wikipedia uh, CEO make? Holy. He makes 500,000 every year. Former one made 800,000. Heck no. Heck no, I'm not giving $2. What the fuck? It has over 255 million in net assets as of 2023 plus endowment of over $100 million. How is it a non-profit when like everyone there is like making ended up making $500,000? What a bullshit. And 7 reasons you should donate to Wikipedia Foundation by Wikimedia Foundation. Why does Wikipedia need donation? Despite its massive popularity, has raised question its needs for fund. Net assets do not include funds and media tied advocacy. I will give you 8 reasons too, mate. Dude, no, no. What the heck is this? What does this chart means? Like, what does black means? What does green mean? What does red mean? Like, at least put something. I just don't understand people, man. How efficient? I'm sure by now you have all seen a pop-up saying that everyone reading is donated just $3. It wouldn't need to ask for money. Obviously, most people do not donate when it's voluntary for a small amount per se you pay. The reason why it does this is because since Wikipedia does not run ads, it relies completely on donations. I'm considering a donation because I think that Wikipedia is a great website where you can learn about almost anything. Honestly, no, right? Honestly, no. There's a lot of shit there, and the best part is that it's all free. With a lot of research websites, you have to go through a paywall to get it. With Wikipedia, all the knowledge is free. It's bullshit. Yeah, they don't even pay taxes. That's true. On the other hand, Wikipedia already gets over 100 million annually, and currently, by its own admission, has over 200 million worth of assets. I donate monthly to Wikipedia. I do not consider it part of my pledge. I consider it voluntarily paying for free services that I. No, like here's the thing about Wikipedia. I will say to everyone, right? And this is the reason I will say Wikipedia is shit, and I have reduced going on Wikipedia a lot. When one of the Indian what's this called, and this is the reason I don't even donate ever in Pakistan as well. And I will show you something really interesting which nobody talks about. It was when what's this guy named Arsh Deep Singh. Now, Arshdeep Singh is a cricketer in India, right? Indian cricket team. This guy, right? Wikipedia, right, when India lost a very important match against, I believe, Pakistan, what happened was on Wikipedia, there was a lot of people showing that he belonged to a very terrorist organization, very anti Indian organization called Khalistan. Reality is, Arshdeep is a great Indian. He does not belong to any stupid foundations like Khalistan. But this was happening, right? And Wikipedia was happily taking this. Now, what happened was during the same time, right? I saw so many of the people I know in Canada posting about, Pakistan is going through floods, and this is like, let's check the date, 2022, right? And some company, some organization did got involved in what bullshit was going, right? 2022, September 2022, Pakistan floods, or what something. So 2022, Pakistan had floods, right? So there's this people in Canada and other places asking for donations to floods, and you know what Pakistani people are doing? Doing this Wikipedia shit to urge the, like, fuck this bullshit. And Wikipedia, what they are doing? Oh, you know what? You want to edit? Go for it. No proper checks are doing done. It's just based on reputation almost. It's bullshit. Fuck no. I don't even need to open Wikipedia. I will not even use Wikipedia, honestly. Like, so much shit is on Wikipedia. And even like, I think I don't know how good it is, like this video talks about, but I based on how good knowledge is provided by this series, or like at least how truthful other things are, this might also be true. This Wikipedia, but let me ask a quick question. Does editing on Wikipedia goes through checks or reputation? Let's see. Yes, every edit on Wikipedia goes through a robust system of checks. No, it doesn't, which includes both automated bot tools and human reviewers, or an editor reputation plays a significant role. So if, yeah, fuck Pakistan, bro. 24/7, fuck Pakistan. But which includes both automated tools and human reviewers. Now, here's the thing: editors' reputation plays a significant role in how their changes are handled. So, if I have a really good, right, reputation, I can just say this politician died today, or this country. Let's say if I want to make a stock market like go a little bit like a drop, or like something like this, right? I can just say something, and I have 20 other bots or 10, people say the same thing on Wikipedia and other places. Boom, gone. Their checks are actually really bad, and this is a good example of how things work. This is a video by Mr. Robot, and have a look now. 5-minute video. Let me play.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon me. I already paid. Just want to pay my respects. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh, I'm sorry, man. Sorry. Just want to pay my compliments. Hey, excellent coffee, fantastic service. Buy yourself something nice.
So he did the card reader. He scanned the card. This employee's card. Yeah.
Steel Mountain. We're trying to penetrate a data security facility whose
Yes.
tagline literally is,
Danger, what's up, bro? Howdy.
nothing is actually impenetrable. A place like this says it is, and it's close, but people still built this place. And if you can hack the right person, all of a sudden you have a piece of powerful malware. People always make the best exploits. I've never found it hard to hack most people. If you listen to them, watch them, their vulnerabilities are like a neon sign screwed into their heads. Mobley's a glutton. He lacks discipline from his urges.
I don't want to get bugs. They spread disease.
Romero is a know-it-all and a hypochondriac.
Bill Harper is our first exploit. He isn't going to give the search much scrutiny. He'll get us level 1, but Bill is not going to be able to get us level 2.
And we need to get to level 2. You're going to ask to speak to his supervisor, Wendy. She'll get us to exactly where we need to be. Then we'll be able to get rid of her from the van. After that, you connect the Raspberry Pi to the climate control system, and Bob's your uncle.
Now we can hear you, and you can hear us.
Mr. Robot, his flaw is he's absolutely insane. We're talking clinical. When they say if your friends jump off a bridge, would you? He would, without hesitation. just to prove something. He goes in there, he's liable to blow the whole place up, just like he wanted to in the first place.
Sure you don't want to look over the info on the map again?
I got it.
Okay, James Bond. Let's go mess that shit up.
Boom, boom.
Yes, I also have security flaws. I don't like being outside. I like morphine too much.
Mr. Sepio?
I'm talking to you right now and you don't exist.
Sam Sepio? Sir?
That's you, Elliot.
Okay.
So sorry you had to wait. As you can see, there's always a lot of bustle here. How can I help you today?
You need a tour. Don't elaborate.
A tour?
Okay. I'm sure they told you at reception that we require appointments for tours. My supervisor gives us all a hard time about that.
This actually like is a kind of the first way to get in, and I had no like I have seen so many like documentaries that it actually works kind of, that they go as investors and get in. And one of the companies is actually a top 10 tech company, how somebody infiltrated in when they were a multi-billion dollar company.
I'm Sam Sepio. You should look me up.
Okay, a little inelegant, but we can work with it.
Tell you what, have your company call over to new accounts and we can set something up later this week. Ask for Bill Harper. They'll know where to find me.
Listen, Bill, you think your boss gives you a hard time now? You're gonna get a really hard time right after I walk out of here. I'm not rescheduling, Bill. When I walk out that door, I'm never coming back. That's your ass, Bill.
I really think you should look me up.
It just doesn't work like that. I'm sorry, sir. You take care, okay?
I'm coming out. It's not working.
It's gonna work. Hang in there.
Always being too weird.
Just like every other tech billionaire, slow your roll. It's gonna happen.
Now look, he's looking at your name or his name.
It's no wonder Wikipedia is never accurate. Anyone can edit them.
Anyone can edit Wikipedia, and that's why I never trust freaking Wikipedia. Even with the computer stuff, it's very hard to trust this bullshit.
Well, not anyone. Nerds like Mobley built a lot of credit over the years with his 20,000 edits. And still people trust it, beholden to all the Mobleys of the world for their information.
Now, he might have edited 20,000 times, but how many of them were actually good? You just need to be good in the start and like make sure a bunch of reviewers are either your friends or are like just those bots you are able to get through. It's really like Wikipedia is not a good site.
And still people trust it, beholden to all the Mobleys of the world for their information.
Mr. Sepio? Mr. Sepio, I have some good news.
Caution. Got it. That's why fuck Wikipedia. And there are cases, like so many cases happen and so many people are able to do it. Money talks indeed, yeah. Non-credible source that it is now. Everyone has a bias. The outward distress is good. People need to be wary of all the that they take in, also weighting it. That's a good line. Make sure you know where you're getting the information from, who is the one behind it, and what. Yeah, I have to go back to my job. That's true. Meeting and sleeping. That's true. That's true. But like, yeah, I just want to mention about this because like Wikipedia, as soon as I see the donation thing, boils my blood because they already are getting so much information. Second, they don't money they get like they are paying $500,000, $800,000 to their CEO, but they are not doing valid checks about their things. So just wanted to write this out because that's how so many terrorists, so many like people who are able to gain money and who treat humans just like a way to get money, even their deaths or like losing jobs and everything. Wikipedia helps it, and it's called a non-profit. OpenAI is also non-profit technically. OpenAI is also non-profit, so GG's. Non-profit is the biggest BS in this world right now. But yeah, let's we'll do as I was saying, right? Going back to our stuff, we'll do min stack for sure tomorrow. and hopefully we will be able to do this polish one, reverse polish notation as well tomorrow, right? Okay, this is like basically minced like 4, we have plus, divide, and all these. Okay, we'll hopefully we'll be able to do this as well. Shouldn't be that hard. More like a tree. Our Discord server is for profit, sure. Profit for the people, yeah. But that's the thing, right? Like, anything can happen. So, GG's, and we got Groot in it, so that's a good thing. Okay, lads. Yeah, this was it. So today, just one medium problem. We'll do more tomorrow. And one more thing, I might be changing gears here soon, probably from next week, because I got the LeetCode Premium, and I want to go over certain things like dynamic programming, which is somewhat my weak point. And if hope you guys don't mind, we'll do some heap graph as well, right? Yeah, dude, I looked up system design as well, and this one, but I wasn't happy with their material, honestly. So hopefully, like, I'll find a system design one. Byte Go was I was looking at, maybe buy that and just give you guys some more information about system design, which is very important. Yeah, but yeah, that's it, Raz. And here's the Discord link, and please like, share, subscribe. I do work, but this is like 10 a.m., 10 p.m. for me. I work in the morning. So yeah, I'm not rich. I'm not rich. Not yet. Not yet. I'm not a millionaire yet, boss. Ambani works for me. Okay. But yeah, dude, to answer your question, I do work. I have a job, and I'm just trying to build this thing, which, no, which is like, I hope becomes like a big thing. I really want to be the next big thing in YouTube tech world. That's like one thing I really want to do. And also on the weekend, I'm doing, which is interesting. I say I'm not rich. I got a friend who bought a MacBook, and the guy said really important thing. He said, I can unbox it live on the stream. So you're going to see 2025 MacBook with the M4 chip unboxing on the weekend. Hope you guys enjoy that. We'll get a taste of it. We'll get to see how it is. Yeah, and soon iPhone 17 Pro as well. So yeah, that's all, lads. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't, that's fine too, right? Till then, thank you so much. Can I see your LeetCode profile? Sure. Not the best yet, but yeah. Submission. Let me see. Profile here. Just 30 solved yet. This needs to be more green. This needs to be more green. Total active days 25, maximum streak is 40. That's pretty not good. Maximum streak should be at least 5. And here's the link, bro. If you want my LeetCode profile, here's the link. Yeah. Do you guys have any other questions? If not, we can call it a day. A beautiful day. We can call it. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow for some Try Hack Me AOC. You have done 51. Okay, I'm coming for you, mate. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. But yeah, that's all I have. No, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. How to land a job as a fresher? LeetCode, a lot of LeetCode. Best way, actually, it's best way if I want to give you quick tips. First, this is the uh, top to bottom, right? This is the best thing you can do, and this is to all right. Best thing is open source development. With the help of AI, you can do open source development, and there is something called, if you haven't done open source development ever, which that's fine, and if you are new, right? open source development, good first issue. That's a label. And if you go to any, like, let's say I go to GitHub ELK stack. Let's say if I go to GitHub ELK, Elasticsearch, you see there are issues. There's 4,400 issues. Go to the labels and search for good first issue, low hanging fruit. This is for people who are new and don't know much yet. So you see the label is added. So these you can start by looking and solving, and there are a lot of people ready to help you. That's the best way. Second is certifications, where you are doing certifications as, let's say, AWS certification. I got Azure during my time, and a bunch of them for students are free. So do that, including GitHub, right? Do those. Third would be like portfolio website, or just your personal website, right? Personal, so that you can show that you can build things and put it online. Personal blogging site, you can make it in WordPress using AWS Lightsail for very cheap. By the way, CH is 40 years old, so take his advice a grain of salt. Bro, I'm like 27, recently turned 27. And all right, I will say is just degree courses, during the courses, whatever project you did, plus like any courses you did which you got, like Coursera courses. They are good, but like I don't, as a if I'm hiring, I won't value them more. This is something everyone values. Certification is something everyone values. Personal, I really like that. And this is very common, right? This is from rarity to most common as well. This is very rare. So try to look into the good first issues. There are a lot of sources you can get. With the AI, you can get a lot of help nowadays. Certification also needs discipline, so you can do that. And certifications are helpful to giving you a touch of services of software as I will be using, or you will be using, during a production process or actual real world process. So yeah, hopefully that helps. If you have any other, do you have any other question? Does that make sense? Danger. Hopefully it does, right? And also work on your resume. Make a good resume. Look at bunch of templates. There's a Harvard template as well. That's it. Okay, nice. Do look at the Harvard template and some other templates and action words. No problem, mate. I want to do a video on this, how to get a job and stuff. But I want to, like, I just recently did my resume again, and I'm applying for jobs. See what the interview process is nowadays, so I can give you a better idea of this. Once I have a good idea, things I'm working, I'm telling you, I can implement myself and do it. Then I can give you a better answer. But these things will work. This is, I have done this before, right? Certifications I've done, I have done this part, and it has worked for me. The only thing I haven't done ever is the open source one, which I will do soon. But yeah, if that's all, thank you so much, lads. Do join the Discord, right? And let me know if I can help you in any ways. My DMs are always open. Till then, a big thanks. Hope you have a great night, a great day, right? And make sure to give your loved ones a hug. This is your favorite sensor hacker, the neighborhood sniffer of packets, signing off with a big bye. Bye, lads. Have a good one. IG. Lead code or die. Lead code or die. Yep. Okay. See ya, man. See ya. Thank you.